Hello and welcome to another video. You came back for more. In this video I'll be working on this antique cabinet. This cabinet has some wonderful details. Lovely carved features on the drawer front and on the doors. I also love the style of the hinges. As you can see, the hinges have acquired a patina with age over the years. It's a greenish brown film and it can make the metal look quite dirty and dingy. So my main objective for this project is to completely strip the piece back and ensure all of the details and all of the features are highlighted as they should be. After the cleaning process, I remove all of the hardware. Initially I thought the handles were screwed on from the back, which they were, but I still couldn't remove them after I'd taken the screw out. So that was a bit of a head scratcher. But I quickly realised that they were also glued in, which is really thorough. So I had to use a heat gun to heat up the glue to loosen it off. And then I just needed to do a few gentle taps in different directions, which then loosened the handle. Time for the best part, the sanding. So I used 60 grit, 80 grit and then a 120. So here I'm just removing the drawer bottom. It's easier to clean and sand if you remove it. I initially used vinegar to clean the hardware. Shortly after pouring the vinegar into this tub, I realised that there was some holes in the bottom of it. That made a little bit of a mess. Hence switching to a mixing bowl. The vinegar did a great job removing that patina film, but I wanted to give the hinges an extra touch. So stay tuned for the outcome. This was a really difficult piece to sand. There was lots of fidgety nooks and crannies to get into. I tried a few different tools to help me, but mainly I just used a little piece of sandpaper and just did it manually by hand. After many hours of sanding, the piece was finally stripped. So it's time to take a break with Charlie Boy and a little extra surprise in store for you. Playtime's over, boys. Let's get back to work. I used golden oak restorer finish inside the drawer. I applied 2 coats of primer to the hinges. I then applied 2 coats of metallic copper spray paint. I was unable to choose between these colours, so I ended up using all of them. To make the details stand out on the doors, I used contrasting colours between warm maple and church oak. I also accented a little bit with French oak around the edges. This project took a lot more time to complete using a detail brush, but I think the end result was worth it. And I hope you agree. If you enjoyed any part of this video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Also, please check out my other videos. I've done quite a few now and I've had some lovely comments from people all over the world. I really appreciate the support. Hitting the like button tells the algorithms that you enjoy what you see, and it really helps a small channel like this one. So thank you very much. Enjoy the final results.